with my Swift interpreter, I have it now inside of a nice, neat package you can just import as a Swift package in Swift Package Manager. And then you just import it inside of your app. Here I made a small Swift UI app where I just import this in. I have this string that you type in, and then I just run code.interpret, where code is just a string. I get the result, and then I'm just going to print the result right here, right? So I'm going to go ahead and run this. I got 2 of them for some reason. So I'll just do something simple, say return 5. Boom, I get 5, right? Let's say it's like x equal 6. I return x. Boom, I get 6, right? Let's say now I say let y equal x plus 5. I'm going to return y. Boom, 11, right? And let's say now this is 5.5, so it's 6 plus 5.5. You think you would get, I guess what, 11.5, but you get an error, which is an actual compilation error you would get if you ran Swift, because this is a type integer and this is a type double, and you can't mix those types, so we have to actually define this. Let's say have it be a double, and now we're good, right? And it gets way more interesting. So for example, it supports things like ternary operators. Here's a simple example there. So we get true. Okay, this one true. Yes, boom. Let's change this over here to false. We're gonna get 0 now instead of 5. So that's working. Here's a pretty cool example I like. This is getting the GDC. And it looks like, oh, we didn't return it. So let's go to return result. Boom, 15. So that's pretty cool. Let's change that up. See, this is definitely working code. Pretty cool stuff. Then we can do a loop. Here's an example of a loop. I tend to return I at the end of it. Here's some cool array stuff as well. So I'm just kind of trying to prove these were all unit tests inside of the module, but now it's a lot more visual, a lot more fun to work with, because you actually can see and change the code as you're working with it. So I can just change this one to like a 1 or something. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. Just changing values. I guess it's all the same values. That's going to make it so it doesn't matter what your index you're giving it. But if I give it an invalid index, boom, we actually can't run this. And you can see it actually doesn't crash the main application. It's just going to throw an error that we'll be able to catch right here. And we can see what the error was.